Here's a way to make money online with a laptop, a cell phone, and a Wi-Fi connection. Check this out: $218, $14, $17, $591. Back in the day when I graduated from chemical engineer, I went to a job interview. And I remember that I asked to this engineer if they can pay me $900 per month. And he responded to me, "We're going to hire you for $700 per month." And I was like, after studying 5 years of something that is kind of hard, and I responded to the engineer, "Okay, I'll take it." But here's the thing, I started to work as a chemical engineer, and also I started to looking for side hustles to make money online. And I tried many different side hustles and I failed. I failed a lot. And I remember one day I was traveling to Guatemala and I was working in my laptop as an engineer and also looking for side hustles. And suddenly I found a website. The name was Clickbank. This website is like a marketplace. Let me show you. This is clickbank.com. I'm going to scroll down. They are over in 190 countries for over 25 years, and they have paid over $5.8 billion. I'm going to log in so you can see. And if I go to the marketplace, they have the top offers, the health and fitness niche, e-business and e-marketing, and many other different niches, as you can see in the screen. If I click on top offers, they have all of these products. Now, to promote a product, I just need to click here on promote, create hub link, and if someone buy through this link, I can earn a commission. And they pay $134 per sale. This product pays $135, and I can choose the product I want in any of these niches. And today I started to learn everything I could about affiliate marketing, which is basically promoting other people's products, like Clickbank. And I learned that one of the best ways to drive traffic to affiliate links is YouTube. And I took a decision. I'm not going to quit until I succeed, even if I fail. And I started to upload one video per day. And it took me 1 year to get my first commission using YouTube. That's when I realized it's possible to make money online. And I was working as a chemical engineer and in my free time in the side hustle. Now, let me show you quickly the strategy to make commissions online. The first step is to choose a niche. These are the best niches for affiliate marketing in 2023. Technology, wealth building, health and fitness, fashion and beauty, lifestyle, hobby, pet care, and travel. Once you have selected the niche and the product, the next step is to build an opt-in page to collect a name and an email address. It's important to build this opt-in page around the product you want to promote. The name of the software I use to build the opt-in pages is Clickfunnels. The next step is to build the autoresponders. Basically, these are emails that this software, the name is Getresponse, is going to send automatically when someone subscribes to your email list. And inside of the emails, it's important to write valuable information and the affiliate links. Once I have built my 24/7 sales system, the next step is to work on the traffic strategies like paid advertising, YouTube, social media, blog posts, email, etc. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.